Hello learners. Today we learn how to add image in web page. So let's start it. First of all we write tag add doc type HTML. That means document and declaration. Now we write HTML. Use a head element. Head. We make a title of it. Now write title. How do we title it? We title it image in web page. Now use body. For add an image in web page, use img element. img mean image. img element is an empty element, so it has no closing tag. Now we write our image name, such as image.jpg. Must be write .jpg last of your image. To mention your image, use src attribute. Src means source attribute here. Src is source attribute and equal it. Use both side quotations. Now our image is ready. So we use see web page. Our image is ready. If your image in another folder, you write whole path of the image, such as use another img element. Image and write src attribute source and equal it and use quotation. If your folder in drive, write drive and slash use drive and my folder slash image dot jpg. Now use closing tag. In this way you can use address of your whole image and can produce in web page. We see it. Another image. Sometimes your image is very large, so you cannot see in web page properly. So write it carefully. So use here image element img use src attribute and equal it use quotation image dot jpg. Now use wide attribute width wide and equal it, use quotation, write 300, write 300 pixel. Use another attribute height attribute height and equal use quotations, write 200 pixel. Now use closing tag. Now our image is ready. Now you can see in web page properly. Sometime our image open in new tab. It means it is hyperlink. So use hyperlink element. Use a element. A element. Image source is in img element, img src equal use quotation, src equal image dot jpg must be right, use closing tag. Now in a element we use href attribute that source is url, I mean address, href, and equal it use quotations, https. You want to page in Google, so use address of Google, https://www.google.com. Now our image is hyperlink. So when we click it open in new web page. We see our image in hyperlink. Search hyperlink. If we want to image in new tab, we use element, write img, write src, source equal use quotation, write image dot jpg, use a closing tag. Now image source is ready. Use here hyperlink, address of image, URL, uniform resource locator. Use href attribute. Use equal and write https www.facebook.com. If you open a new tab, use another attribute, target attribute. Use equal and write black. Use equal and use quotation first and write black. If you write black, it open in new tab. Now we see web page all ready. Now you can add image in your HTML document. I think you'll learn better. For new learning videos, please subscribe my channel and comment what you wanted. Bye, good wishes.